How to turn on read caller names aloud for Samsung phones with Android 15 One UI 7.0 using the default Samsung Dialer app. When you're ready to turn this on, you want to go ahead and use the default Dialer app for your Samsung phone, which is the green one here. And once you're in this section here, you'll see the three dots at the right section. You're going to tap on that one time and you're going to see settings. Go into the settings section, and from here you want to go down all of these to where it says answering and ending calls, this one. Once in this section, you'll look for read caller names aloud, which is this one right here where I'm pointing. You can turn it on from here or tap here to go into the settings itself and choose whether reading the names aloud will be only with a Bluetooth connected or headphones or always. If you set it to always, basically it's going to read that incoming call name to your speaker of your phone, or if you have your connected headphones or headset, it's going to also do it through that. And if you wanted to read it twice, you can turn this one on here just in case you missed it, and that would be that. If you don't want any of this happening, just turn this off and you won't have anything reading aloud. Like and sub.